metals market update. As I report this on August 15th, we're seeing gold and silver fall substantially. Silver's down to $14.50 and gold's at $11.87. So we're seeing this drop. And of course, there's a panic. Our phones are ringing off the hook. Emails are coming in. And of course, everyone should be concerned, because if it was going to go down to very low numbers, you'd want to get out and buy it back. But while no one knows exactly, this is what I have predicted might happen. I was hoping it wouldn't, but it's that time of year we've talked about last several weeks between June 15th and August 15th, and then up until that third Thursday in August when there's some options expiration as to why this thing is pushed down. Remember, this is not the physical market suffers, but what pushes it down is the futures market, so they take advantage. But here's the thing you've got to decide. You want to buy in at something that has almost no downside risk, talking about gold and silver, as they're so close to mining cost, afraid, because I can tell you, since 1972, when you could buy gold and silver, there's never been a time where the price of gold or silver went below the mining cost, except for very, very short periods of time. So you're in one of those times where you have to think negative, or you have to think it's an opportunity, or you just have to hold what you've got and let the market play out. And certainly that is your decision. I bought a lot of silver today. I think it's the grandest opportunity in many years. I'll sit there and talk about this twice, but what you got to remember when JP Morgan and others that long and short the market and the futures market using their hundreds of million ounces of silver and leveraging it up to where they control, say, 1 million ounces of silver. And then when the price moves up and they go long, they make money in the futures market and the physical market as the price goes up. For you newcomers that haven't been around the last couple of decades, let's talk about briefly what happened back in 2000. We saw them go from short to long and stayed long for 12 years. Silver went from $3.50 to $47, 15 times in 12 years. And then they went short, and we've seen silver come from 47 back down to 14.50. It's dropped about 2/3 from the height of 2011. So now we know JP Morgan or anybody else can't short a market for long because the risk is too high if the price goes the wrong direction. We believe that sometime in the near future, they now have positioned, they bought all the new physical silver. It's not reportable anywhere unless they use it in a COMEX situation. But now you've got to decide whether you want to take advantage of this opportunity, which some people are saying this next move would be from 14.50 to 50 or 14.50 to 100. We've talked for several weeks about the solar panels, a huge demand for silver the next few years in China, California, Tesla, fastest growing car maker in the world, putting in a solar panel factory in Connecticut, betting on the future of silver. They'll be buying it for industrial uses. So could it be a better time? I don't think so. We're in the weakest demand time of the year through tomorrow, Thursday. Thursday, I think wherever the price bottoms today, it'll start moving up tomorrow. I'm not telling you it's going to explode up, but I'm telling you we're going to get a direction change, and it could be a little bit or it could be huge if we see the futures the next couple weeks, shorts go down and long positions go up. Then you may have caught something really good, a wave that is going to do very well. This applies to gold too, but it's more specific right now because of who's driving it on the short side of the market. Anybody can say, make it go down if you can make it act like you've got 1 million ounces you don't really have. Sure, it makes the price go down, but it also makes it go up. So you got to look at the glass. Is it half full or is it half empty? Is silver headed down further, or is silver about to turn and make the next big move. Remember the first move we saw back in 1977 to 80. We saw silver go from $2 and something to 50. And then in 2000 to 2011, we saw it go from $3 and something up to $9 and something, excuse me, up to 47. So the next big move is around the corner. I don't know if it's around the corner, but I think it's in the not too distant future. And the demand industrially because of these solar panels is picking up like crazy. Some of the reports out this week are showing that, it depends on who you read, 4 to 8 years of silver supply left in the world at current consumption, and current consumption is picking up all the time because of these solar panel laws in California and China. So I'm not going to get into gold today. I just want to hit you hard because you need to be buying silver. Add 2 or 3% of your portfolio in to silver at this price. Say, oh, I got some at 30. I bought some at 28. Cost average. Buy some when the spot price is in the 14s. And bring your cost average way down for the silver you're holding. And then when it makes that move, it's going to give you that more leverage because you have more ounces. Remember, if you want to put silver in a self-directed IRA, precious metals, you can call us. We cannot be the custodian, but we can be the agent, the broker, the representative, and we can give you direction on how to deal with the custodian and set that up. You can call us, and also just call Dan or Kathleen or I and ask us what we have on special. Silver, we deal with different wholesalers, and sometimes they buy more than they want to hold. That's what makes us so good as a broker, because we can deal with these different wholesalers and get you the best price in the market. And so most of you know that we have very low front-end fees and no back-end fees. We pay the shipping and the insurance. You heard about us through Jerry. So give us a call at 800-247-2812. That's 800-247-2812. And also ask about the copper coins we have. Some of these companies are running for $8 a coin on the internet. I'm talking about big name companies. And we're talking about $1.10. It could be one of the best investments for the next 10 or 20 years also. It's a new product we've just gotten into, and all of us remember what happened when copper tubing was being stolen a decade ago, and there was a severe shortage in the building business. So anyway, give us a call. Once again, 800-247-2812. With this week's Precious Metals Market Update, this is Tom Cloud signing out.